Bro, AMC and crypto are related, bro. Look at AMC, look at crypto. AMC and crypto are related. Anybody who bought the dip is up on crypto. Anybody who bought the dip is up. Congratulations, all crypto holders. If you bought the dip, you are golden, baby. Congratulations, all crypto holders. If you bought the dip, you are golden. Yeah. Ethereum over 4,000, Bitcoin, XRP back up. XRP. Yeah. 16 likes, holy smokes. 2,800 views, holy smokes. Thank you guys for the support. Hey, I told y'all crypto was coming back. AMC up 4% on the day. AMC almost 290. AMC almost 290. Let's go. Let's go. AMC 290! AMC has a bottom, ladies and gentlemen. AMC has bottomed as predicted. AMC has bottomed as predicted. Let's go. We're bottoming, baby. Time to do a little jig. AMC running. AMC is running. AMC is running. AMC is running. Let's go. Let's go. Benjamin with the rockets.
Let's go AMC rocket,
AMC up
rocket,
5%,
rocket,
AMC
rocket, rocket,
bottoming,
rocket.
crypto bottoming. AMC 290. Let's go. 292 high. AMC overall uptrend. AMC overall uptrend. We're bottoming as predicted. I told you guys you were not ready for what's coming in yesterday's video. I told you guys that this is the time where memes like to pop off. I try to let them know. Starting to get very close to overbought. Guys, this is your daily outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. Those videos, not financial advice, should not be taken as such. Please do your own research and volume. It's kind of crazy. Only a few 100,000 difference. Absolute insane. We've been having some decent volume, so maybe drive cost of borrow hard. 4 million, 2.5 come up. See, we pulled 23 million. Absolute insane. 50 side, in my personal opinion, bottoming out and then potentially starting another leg up on this, in my personal opinion, bottoming out and then remember for 26 months
on this overall rally,
the man, the myth, the legend, Benjamin, one of our OG supporters.
Bigger uptrend. Okay, so we have this move up, then we make a higher low, and then we trend up, possibly heading into that
DZ Familia. Let's go.
AMC bottoming as expected, guys. I told you we would see 280 today at minimum. Green week, Bitcoin, AMC, let's get it. Misty blue with the silver star. RSI overbought Amy. Let's go. Amy up 5% on the day. We take those. GME's doing okay. It's above 23.15. GME above 23.15. That's all right. GameStop following my prediction. Flattening out. It's about to correct to the upside in a big way. AMC following my prediction, moving to the upside. Talked about this extensively. Told you AMC was going to make a move, and it's now moving. Crypto is really exploding, guys. Crypto is really exploding. Falling wedge in play, Ethereum, guys. This is going to be big. This is going to be big. Crypto bull run is not over. This is going to be absolutely massive. You're not ready for what's coming for the meme stocks and crypto. BYND hit $2 as expected. I predicted $2 on BYND.
Amy trying to hold 290 as we speak. This could get major. This could get major. Also, Bitcoin up massively, up 4%. Notice how Bitcoin and AMC and Ethereum are roughly up the same. Benjamin! Making sure today's stream goes down perfect. Benjamin, make sure we get 1 super chat, 1 gifted membership. OG Benjamin in the building. Just gifted Ghost and Cars a free membership. Super. Bro, that was all you, brother. That was all you. I just said about a good buy low, sell high.
BYND, thank you. Printed,
That was all you, brother.
rocket.
It did hit the $2 price target as expected with the gap fill. But there's another gap right here. It's about to fill it. It's about to fill it. It goes up almost to $2. It goes to almost to $3. It's at 284. The gap ends. So it's about to fill it. It looks like it almost filled it all. Yeah, BYND was always going to come back up and fill these gaps. When you see these stocks that have been beaten down like that, you always buy. When RSI is oversold, you always buy. That's all I said about this stock. RSI very oversold. Goodbye. That's all I said. I just said this would be a good buy because the RSI was oversold. Anytime you see it beaten down like that, you want to step in, man. You want to step in. Not financial advice. Yeah, we be getting the bags, man. We be getting to the money. DZ fam. Bitcoin hitting a high of 114,100. Fucking huge. If we go above 115,700, we are fully recovered. Thank you, Andrew, for the super chat. Another super. DZ fam going wild. C12 with another super chat. What is happening? This is not a drill. This is not a drill. Yippee! Super. Thank you, C12. Money team,
DZ
baby.
is leader of the money team. We winning, gang.
Multiple supers coming in crazy. Let's get some hype in the chat for these gentlemen. massive hype on the chat as AMC is up now. Let's get some fucking hype in the chat.
JK, really?
Bought me a bag and she never asked for no cash. Guys, AMC going for 290. We're bottoming out. If you guys missed yesterday's video, make sure you check it out. We also have the Ryan Cohen interview. We got about 300 views on that. I appreciate anybody who checked that out. If you guys missed the whole Ryan Cohen interview, we have it right here. We have some clips on the channel if you guys want to check those clips out. 1.2K views on this bad boy, man. Make sure you check that out. More super to super to super. Andrew Blessing, the team right now. He made some bags.
Amen for BYND. I hope some of you made bread on it, Rocket.
We're also at 16,487 subscribers. Thank you guys for all of the massive support lately. You guys have been going crazy. AMC trying to get back over 290. RSI overbought though. SPY pulling back after hitting price target of 673. SPY pulling back after hitting exact price target of 673. 672.99 to be exact. All right, guys, we got multiple super chats. China said no, or Trump said no to China meeting. I want to thank you guys for everything, man. DZ fam in the building. How is the audio right now? Audio check. Audio check. Is audio good? SPY pulling back to red after hitting 673 top. SPY red, crypto green. What a beautiful fucking day. I repeat, SPY red, crypto green. What a beautiful day. SPY red, AFC green as well. Want to see AMC back over 290. If AMC goes back over 290, this is massive. BYND might be a little bit of distraction, guys. Every time AMC starts moving, notice another stock randomly just pop up out of nowhere. First it was open, now BYND. Every time, I'm just saying. Every time, I'm saying get your money, but every time AMC get ready to move. Also, cost to borrow popping off for a game. Yeah, something's happening, guys. And massive dark pool levels. Something is happening for the meme stocks that they don't want you to know about. Yeah, hit that like button right now. We almost got 100 people to build it. One brand new member already. Multiple super chats. Dark pool volume 76%. Dark pool volume rising. GME cost to borrow spiking. Something is definitely coming for the meme stocks. AMC cost to borrow also spiked up here earlier, heading up to about 0.75%. Crypto rallying. Buy signal 4-hour time frame. Bitcoin. Buy signal 4-hour time frame. Bitcoin. This could get bullish. Right now we got Ethereum working on a possible massive falling wedge. Buy signal 4-hour time frame. Ethereum possibly setting up for a potential breakout of the falling wedge. AMC up a good 4% on the day right now at 288. Told you guys we would see at least 280 in yesterday's video. We got another super chat from Andrew. BYND is going to be about over here soon. You guys gotta take profit at this point, man. If you're not taking profit right now, what are you doing? BYND is definitely going to be about to pull back. We're filled all gaps. RSI is at 91. We filled all gaps. Thank you for another super chat. Got another super chat from Andrew coming in hot. Andrew T coming in crazy.
It's BYND crazy, get in, get out, good luck, rocket, 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 rocket.
Yeah, BYND is going to be slowing down here soon, guys. This is, it's up about, what, 400% here in the last couple of days. In the last couple of days alone, yeah, it's up about a good 400% here. Yeah, I would definitely be taking profits at this point. You had plenty of room to run because you were so broken down. I mean, you're just now getting outside the bands here on the 4-hour time frame, but you're gonna see some micro pullback. But this will actually continue up. This will actually continue up in the long run, but you're gonna see some micro pullback. I think this could actually go to about $3 to $4, to be honest with you guys. I think you could easily see $3 to $4 on this stock once this is all said and done. But I also think the meme stocks are about to pop off, and every time meme stocks are about to pop off, you have an open, you have another stock coming in. So just something to look at. What we need to do is use their plans against them. We need to make money off of these other plays that pop off when the meme stocks are about to run, and then run it up meme stocks. They'll be sick, bro, if they start seeing meme stock money. If they start seeing BYND money come in the meme stocks, they'll be fucking sick. AMC just got AMC. Let's see if we got some shares shorted on us. I feel like they shorted some shares. I'm feeling like they shorted some shares, guys. Yep. About an hour ago, they dumped 100,000 on her. I told you a rally was coming in yesterday's video because remember what I said about all the shares they had? I was like, they're expecting something. They're expecting something. They've been shorting a lot lately. So I was like, yo, they're definitely expecting something. You gotta follow the charts, not your hearts. You gotta follow the charts, not your hearts. All right, GameStop, we want to stay above 23.50. AMC moving back to the upside, looking for that 290. AMC hunting for that 290. I think we're gonna see it today. AMZ volume, nice, 21 million right now. 21 million, bullish hammer, bullish fucking candle right here. Big bull candle. Big bull candle in the daily time frame. Big green candle for Amy. She got a big green one right now. Amy hunting for that 290. Drop some fucking rockets in the chat. Amy hunting for 290. Guys, this is about to get barbaric. This is about to get barbaric. Listen, if Amy breaks and holds 290, we pop off. Amy holds 290, go straight to 3, bro. We go straight to 3. In fact, we're about to go straight to 3, bro. This shit's coming. Ain't no way, ain't no way. AMC's hunting for 290, guys. She's bull flagging. But we're going straight to a hundo. Crypto's coming back. Who bought the fucking dip? Who bought the fucking dip in crypto? They tried to tell me I was lying. Haters in the chat said Bitcoin going to 3,000. I had haters in the comments telling me Bitcoin was going to 3,000. They told me I'd be wrong. They told me I'd never have shit. It's like, nah. I'm kidding. But they did tell me I'd be wrong. They said that Bitcoin was gonna go back down to 3,000, bruh. I don't know how they thought that, but that's how I knew they were stupid as shit. But wow, the mystery trader video, almost 700 views, guys. We're moving up in life, all right? Our random videos are getting more views. They're not random videos, they're good videos. I would say that my other content is better than the regular mainstream content. It's just that it doesn't have as much stock value, but it has more entertainment value. It does have a good information, like my speculative video. All right, where are we at with it? What am I looking for here? I got ADHD. I may or may not be manic. Guys, I'm just kidding. Bro, why can I not find? All right, here we go. We're getting somewhere. Wait, is it? Guys, we are live. We're live. We're coming in live. Coming live to you from Florida. Welcome to the DataZero show. All right, we're at 16,487 subscribers. Thank you so much. That was a miracle. It's a blessing every day waking up knowing that most channels don't make it. Man, I appreciate you. Now, shout out to the people that made this possible today. Andrew, C12, Benjamin. Thank you guys. These are long-term OG supporters, bro. Look at this shit. This is the rarest thing you'll ever see on YouTube. A 26-month. 26 months. That's 2 years plus. Yes, I can do simple math. Only in my good days, though. Thank you, Benjamin, for the freaking 2 years solid support. I don't even know how to thank you, brother. You believed in me when the others doubted me. Now we're at the top. Actually, we're somewhere in the middle, but that's okay. The data center. I like that. Oh shit, we might have something there. Live to you from data center, bro. Yo, why are we just playing the old schools though, man? What's happening with this? All right, man. The data center. I probably need to go on a fast. Probably the best thing I ever did. All right, we got 106 in the building. We got 106 in the building. 106 in the house right now. All right, we're coming live to you from the data center, bro. Coming live in 5, 4, 3, 2. Data center. Not enough cash. What? Oh my God. I accidentally hit on a button that says cancel the stream. I don't want to do that. Or do I? Coming live from the data center, y'all. We got shirts and everything, man. We're official. Okay, Amy pulling back a little bit, y'all. Let's see what we can see here. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in real quick. We got this red back D. Whew. Still bullish on all other time frames though, I bet. Gotta get the refrigerator, huh? I'll put it right here. Right here. Send me $1,000 for a refrigerator, guys. All right, so here we got 290 high for the day. We have support here at 286. We're still looking bullish here on the 10-minute time frame. RSI has officially cooled down from the overbought territory. Let's check this 15-minute. Okay, we're not overbought on the 15-minute either. That's good news. 30 minutes. We are still in that overbought territory. So you want to keep that in mind, ladies and gentlemen. You want to keep that in mind when we're looking at this. We're in that overbought territory. 30-minute time frame. See what I got here. Let me move the camera just a little bit. There we go. Damn, that hourly candle's ugly right now, guys. We need to fucking shape this hourly candle up right now. Amy, you need to shape this hourly candle up because that shit looks like a topping tail type shit. I don't even know what a topping tail is, really. That just sounds really good to say. It looks like a topping fucking... It looks like a gravestone doji. All right? We need to clean this up right now. This is gonna be no good for us. But this is only on the hourly time frame. It's okay. You can have one thing on one time frame, right? It's not the end of the world. Let's go ahead and continue on. 2-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. All right, we just entered a new candle. It's 1:30. Just entered a new candle. A 2-hour time. Wait, why is it on the half an hour mark? Why'd we start a new candle on the 2-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame at the 30-minute mark? Oh, because the market starts at 9:30. Duh. Okay, SPY looks like it's gonna try to push up here a little bit. It definitely found support on this 67138. Holding that means it's gonna push up towards 67224. SPY going up as always. That's all it does lately. You can bet that you can bet that 90% of the time you'll make bread. So stupid. Bitcoin making a nice jump to the upside. It came down to a low of 107 here. Now we're looking a little bit better, y'all. We're looking a little bit better here on BTC. Guys, how's the audio? I need an audio check. I need to plug my unit in. The convenience of this having everything in one place is, I'll tell you what. Amy up 3.70% on the day, man. We take those. We take those all day long. And then, of course, Ethereum at 4,000. This is major as well. I'll take that. Ooh, it's good to see my crypto portfolio come back a little bit, man, because my shit was down in the abysses of the depths of the darkness of despair. I had to add money in my crypto portfolio just because it was getting so low, man. It's getting scary, bro. Started doubting everything in life. Like, damn, I should have took profits. I should have cashed out. I should have put it in stablecoin and then came back in. I should have called the top and I should have bought the top and sold the bottom. So many thoughts, so little time. Then I wake up. Boom. As predicted, crypto recovery. And I just thank the Lord above that this bull run is not over just yet. Will I be cashing out at the top of the bull run? I don't know. If my portfolio is some crazy fucking number, I might fucking take a little bit off the top. You know what I mean? Why the hell not? But in the long term, guys, I'm going to be holding crypto for quite some time. I hope that my plan, okay, although be a reckless one, I will say that I'm hoping by the time that I'm ready to say, you know what, fuck all this shit. I'm tired of everything. I'm tired of social media. I'm tired of all the bullshit. I'm just going to go off on a fucking island. I'll stream every once in a while because I do love the community. I'll touch base with you guys, you know what I mean? But, you know, we're going to roll out. You know, I'm going to be on some island somewhere, upload when I want. And then, yeah. When I'm ready to say, when I'm ready to retire and ride off into the sunset, which I'm doing. I don't know about some of these guys. They work till they're like 90 years old. I'm not doing that, bro. Life is not all about working. I love what I do, but don't get it twisted, bro. I want to just chill, man. I want to wake up and do whatever I want and chill. But I want to have money, right? So how do you do that? How do you just chill and have money? Well, you have to make your money work for you. You have to generate money other ways, right? You got to have businesses. You got to have maybe employees, maybe investments. So my plan is by the time I'm ready to retire, I'm hoping Bitcoin is worth exponentially more than when I bought it. And the odds are that it most likely will be. Most likely Bitcoin will be worth exponentially more than when I bought it. When I'm ready to retire. Whenever that may be. All right, one rocket equals Amy up, guys. One rocket equals Amy up. Guys, you have to hit rockets right now. Rockets or she dies. Oh, we got moderators in the building, man. Be careful. Sister Super! Sister Super! Bro. Didn't you just drop 5 gifted yesterday, bro? Thank you, dude. Guys, this is a real legend right here, man. Wants to know about Clove. I haven't heard about that stock in a while. We're going to check it out. Don't worry, bro. Let's check this shit out. Guys, we have one brand new member today. My God. Today is a special day. Clove. Sorry, ADHD brain, bro. That shit's fried.
Hey DZ, how about a CLOV check?
Alright. Have we ever talked about this stock on the stream? I've been live for a whole hour already. My God. Time flies. What am I doing? Clove. That's right. This stock was an original meme stock, wasn't it? Okay, it's up 14% on the day. Is it beat down? That is the question. Let's find out. This stock is wild. It just pushed up. Dude, if you would have bought at this 60-cent mark, look at that. All the way up to $4. That's a 550% move. Yo. That's what happened when stocks get beat down, bro. They just explode. You can't manipulate shit down, 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 down.
when the price doesn't really deserve to be that price. That's why you have to watch and look. That's why things like Beyond Meat. Right now, Clove already had that push up. Beyond Meat had this crazy dump down. Of course it's gonna rocket back up. Look. Look how oversold it got on the daily time frame. This, I don't see it oversold on the daily time frame right now. We do have some history here with some support and resistance. You're above this $2. This looks very bullish, bro. This... Yeah, it's breaking out. That's what I thought. I could tell by that price structure. I knew something was there. I could see it. I can see without even drawing the lines at this point. So I was like, there's some type of bullish price structure here. It's a falling wedge. I thought it was either that or a bull flag. Yes, it's breaking out of a falling wedge as we speak. Most likely, Clove will actually go back to about... I will say, let's just be safe. $4. Yo. Yeah, this will go back to $4. And this is exactly what I show you guys in the class. I show you how to find all the patterns and then find price targets and then set up trades, man. It's breaking out right now as we speak. Of a falling wedge. So this will go back to easily $4. Maybe it might even go as high as $4.87 or $5. Not financial advice. Also, this one could have been predicted as well. But this move could have happened over time because you had this gap fill here and this gap fill here, and RSI got oversold in the daily. Easily could have been assessed and say, hey, yeah, this is, it's definitely pulling back though. I told you guys micro pullback, but I think BYND will go back to bro, this thing's gonna go to $3, bro. It's gonna go to $3 for sure. I think it could go higher than $3, but $3 is a nice, safe price target. Thank you for the CLOV super chat. We got 110 in the building right now. If you haven't hit the like button, run them numbers up. Help me support the channel for free by hitting the like button. You can also share this stream. That will help out as well. If you guys want to share the stream. Amy has support at 286. I think overall, bro, we're Gucci, but it looks like it's about to break down from this downtrend, so that's not good, or this uptrend. The thing about AMC, it can literally pop off randomly. But what I said is happening is 1000% happening. Both of the meme stocks are going to bottom and push back to the upside. I just want crypto to go to a new all-time high again, particularly Bitcoin. I want to see the craziest bull run ever. I want to see all coins go to new all-time highs. I want to see Bitcoin. See, the market's maturing though, guys. Some of these coins are really starting to leave other coins in the dust. The market is really maturing on cryptocurrency. So you, like I said in the beginning, you better stop. Your meme coins are going to die, bro, believe it or not. There's going to be like very few. There might always be some like dumb meme coin that pops off randomly. But as time goes on, meme coins are going to get less and less attention. Only top projects are going to thrive. It's going to be basically like how the .com was, how there was a website that did everything, and everything with the name .com exploded on the stock market before the 2000 bubble, or 1999 bubble, whatever you want to say. What was it, 99 or was it 2000 or 90s? We have to fact check this. .com bubble, right? That's what it's called. 1995, guys. 1995 .com bubble. 1995. So everything with the name .com blew up. If you guys were alive during this time, most of the people watching should be, but there are some people that watch it are quite young. Most of the people are my age or older. What did I just do? Okay, I got scared. Yeah, so everything with the name .com exploded, and then that's kind of like crypto was, still is a little bit, but top projects are gonna survive, and then the rest are gonna kind of fade out. That's what I believe anyways. I could be absolutely wrong. I always say you want to pick from the top 100 altcoins. You want to look at the best tokenomics, which is like how many coins there are, because this stuff is what matters on the market. You want to look at what the coin is supposed to do or gonna do or could do realistically, which a lot of these cryptos are kind of the same, but some of them are like, different in unique ways. Like there's a couple coins that are like privacy focused, like this one. They're like focused on privacy and security. Some are focused on speed. I just like Bitcoin studying everything else because it has the best, some of the best tokenomics, which is what really matters when it comes to price, is how many coins there are, the max supply. That stuff really matters. Scarcity is key. Scarcity creates value. Scarcity is always key. Yeah, they're dumping. They're dumping. They're dumping shares, guys. We're dumping shares right now. We're dumping shares. We're dumping shares. They dumped another 100,000. We got 57 likes. Run them fucking numbers up. They dumped another. I looked at the price. I was like, hold on. Amy should be recovering.
Crazy how I just know. Partnership with Ultimate Markets. Check your AdSense account. So proud of you, Bitcoin. So proud of you, Ethereum. They did such a good job. XRP Ric Flair. Where the fuck is Eric G? Where you been, Eric G? Where you at? Where's all these OGs that started us from the bottom? What happened to them? We had OGs. Now only few remain. AMC has support at 286. I still see some OG names pop in. You guys remember Buick of Atlanta? I know you guys remember Buick. I see OGs in the chat, man. SPY pushing back to the upside, man. SPY's gonna head towards 672.24. Make no doubt about it. I'm about to chug this water here. Get that ready. I'm gonna chug that shit. Everything's pulling the fuck back. I just want to see pumpage. I want to see nothing less than straight green candles. I need it. I'm addicted. I'm addicted to pumpage. Wait. Guys, this is a very clear double bottom here on SPY. Very clear double bottom SPY. SPY double bottom in play. Make sure you guys note this. I repeat, SPY double bottom in play. Take notes. SPY is about to push to the upside. Not financial advice, of course. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, guys. I'm just some guy on the internet. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, though.
A few moments later.
SPY just starts pumping. It's about to get green MACD, and it's gonna push up, man. In my professional. Can I say that legally? I'm a professional internet guy. In my professional internet guy opinion, SPY will be moving to the upside. Alright, we gotta do better on this motherfucking. What is really happening here? We gotta switch this up, bro, because something's happening, dude. The beats are not coming through the way they need to, man. We're just getting some like, I don't know, explain it. Guys, you are back. This is DZ live streams. You are back. DZ live streams. Where'd you find this one? You guys hear this beat? Listen to this beat. Stock channel with the best beats you ever heard in your life. Not financial advice. Alright, guys. AMC's going to barcode mode, guys. She's gonna she's gonna hold the fucking line, man. We just gotta have faith. I think we can break and hold 290. I think we can break and hold 290. That's what I'm seeing here. She can do it. You just gotta believe. Bitcoin might pull back. Bitcoin might pull back. My dreams My hopes and dreams of the next leg up on the Bitcoin bull run could be over before they even start. Let me know if you bought the crypto dip, though. Maybe I'm buying all the crypto, and I'll be left holding the bag until 2035. I might still be holding by 2030. Or, I mean, 2035. I'm probably like 20... how old will I be 2035? I might be holding until 2040 also. I got time. I got time. What's happening here? My phone's going off. My phone is going off, guys. We're watching stocks together. AMC's 290 today, bro. I'm telling you. We have an hour left. We have an hour left till power hour. This is gonna be the most boring hour, but once power hour comes, 290. Yep. 290. GameStop is currently retesting the 2315. This is a support and resistance level here. We want to hold 2315. Today is all about 2315 for GameStop. If there's any GameStop fans in the chat right now, you want to see it hold 2315. Also, I did the whole interview of Ryan Cohen yesterday. You guys can check that out right here. The whole entire interview. We got it. We got it, okay? We're the hardest working YouTubers out here. We got... How many videos did we drop yesterday? 1, 2. We dropped 3 videos yesterday, guys. How does this have 58 views? I have to delete that. That is a random live stream that I started by accident. Well, I started it and shutted it down. I'm gonna delete it. Why is GameStop barcoding? What the fuck? That's normally Amy's job. GameStop barcoding, GameStop barcoding, GameStop barcoding. Amy holding. Amy fucking holding! Amy fucking holding! Ah! What the fuck was that so loud for? Yeah, I don't know what happened. It's crazy. We dropped 3 full videos yesterday, guys. We dropped the live stream VOD, which is right here at 1.9K views. We dropped this video, which, no. We dropped this video. And we dropped this video, the full Ryan Cohen interview. And we dropped the daily outlook and prediction. Hardest working YouTuber in America, dog. 3 videos plus shorts in one single day. We dropped 2 short videos as well. We dropped this clip, 1.2K views. This clip, this video, and this video, and this video yesterday. We dropped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shorts yesterday, guys. Hardest working YouTuber in America. 5 shorts, 3 full-length videos. The one video is over an hour long. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. 25 million volume on Amy. Turn up. That's what I'm talking about. GameStop holding 23.15. We're in the realm of goodness, guys. All right, hold on, man. Amy's holding, bro. I'm telling you. 290's coming. 290's coming, man. I'm telling y'all. I seen it. I seen it. Premonition, bro. I seen it. I seen it before it happened. You want to know how? Because I'm a motherfucking prophet. That's how. Look at this shit right now. Yeah. Check it out, y'all. I know you can see the screen and you can see the screen. You guys can see double screens, but you can't see this screen. Yeah. There's always a hidden screen. Stop looking at crypto and just hold it. Bro, by the time, if you're like 35, 40, by the time, let's say you retire at 50 or 60, bro, by the time you're ready to retire, Bitcoin should be worth a crazy amount because the US dollar is going to decay into nothing. It's gonna be so bad. The US dollar is going to be shit, bro. Okay, we retire at 60 then. By the time we're all 60, bro, the dollar's gonna be shit. I'm trying to retire at, like, realistically, like, I mean, they say men die at like 70, bro. I'm gonna live for longer than that. I already know, but because I'm healthy for the most part, but shit, bro. Unless I'm taken out for whatever reason, but you gotta augment your reality, right? That's why I always say I'm gonna live long. Anyways. Yeah, I'm trying to retire at like 60, bro. At least have some time left. Shit. You're telling me I gotta work till I'm fucking... I gotta work basically. I've been working since before, when I was in high school. I gotta work all the way up until I'm 60 and then I get 10 years left? I get 10 years? I gotta work my whole life and then I get 10 years to enjoy. Nah, bro, this can't be life. This can't be, it can't be, bro, it can't be. Life isn't about work. I understand work is important. I'm not saying don't work. But, bro, this whole system that they made, now, you have to ask yourself, would you rather it be, though? See, the system we could have could be better, but would you rather it be you're out in the wild, and if you don't hunt, you die? Okay, we got another banger! Sunny GG, GG. Sunny GG with the so it's a race between Sunny GG and Benjamin on
Sun with face, sun with face, sun with face, keep up with all the great data, sun with face, sun with face, sun with face.
We have Sunny GG with 26 months, and we have Benjamin with 26 months. And the crazy thing is, both of them must have did it around the same time, because you only get those messages for an anniversary, I believe. So, thank you for the 26-month anniversary, Sunny GG and Benjamin. I appreciate that, man. 26 months, 2 years plus. Solid. Holding it down, support. Unbelievable. Truly unbelievable. Bro, it can't be. LPSN took off. Hold on. Did we have a dotted line for that, bro? Did we have a dotted line for that? Tell me it followed. I love it when I come back and just see pure greatness. Somebody was like, you know, this just had a... I think they were talking about this one. They were like, you know, this just had a reverse split, right? I don't give a fuck. I only care what the fucking charts say. I don't give a fuck what fundamentals. It's like, nah. You have to care about fundamentals and technicals. Or fundamentals and shit like that. Reverse splits and stuff like that. But it doesn't matter. Whatever the charts say fucking goes. RSI, oversold daily time frame buy signal. Bitch. LPSN tracking perfectly with your boy's prediction. Beyond Meat coming back up. So it pulled back. Micro pull back to the upside. Micro pull back to upside as predicted. Beyond Meat moving back up from 250. Wasn't it just at 250? Yeah. It's moving back up. I'm telling you, bro, this thing's gonna go to $3. Beyond Meat going to 3. AMC pushing back up. AMC pushing back to the upside. LPSN should go higher. It is room to run. Hopefully Bitcoin's in a downtrend.
So hopefully Bitcoin comes back to the upside. We have strong downwards momentum on BTC. Micro time frame. Is that where the line really is? Okay. Okay, so AMC is actually still holding this trend line, but we are starting to build bearish momentum. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of divergence. That could be from them shorting, but we're definitely starting to build bearish momentum. We're holding the trend line. So we're losing some momentum here on AMC. Fix it. Guys, we have 108 in the building. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for being here. I need you guys to run those numbers up. We need over 100 likes today. We got one brand new member. Multiple super chats. AMC not giving up. AMC not going back. And neither will we. And neither will we. High energy in the building. What up? What's good with you, man? XRP coming back. I think I officially have more ETH than I have XRP now, though. They're very close to each other. Ethereum blasted off, though, and it helped it push up. Let me check. Yeah, ETH is going to be my second biggest holding. It goes Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. So my holding goes exactly according to market cap. Oh wait, no, Tether and BNB are now. XRP came down a little bit. XRP was third market cap for a long time. BNB kind of coming back a little bit. Crazy. I never was interested in Binance Coin. Let me see. Let's look at the tokenomics. Let's see what it. Oh, it does have a max supply. No wonder it's been able to hold up. It's larger than Bitcoin. Max supply. Very small. Okay, no, never mind. I was gonna say something. I was like 100,000, bro. Like, no way, bro. This shit would be like to the moon. 1,000 a coin. What did it start at? Did it start out small like BTC? Damn, bro. It started off 17 bucks, like 10 bucks. Imagine buying it 2018 for $9. Every $9 that you spent turned to 1,000. I'm hoping that's the type of gains you see if you hold into For example, if you bought in 2020 or 2020, just say 2020 to 2025, you bought anywhere in between then, I'm hoping that if you hold till like 2040, 2035, that you'll see the same type of gains that someone that held from 2018 to 2025. I mean, you're holding for a long ass time. But if somebody held from 2018 to 2025, they deserve all of those gains. Why would you even sell once you're that much in profit? Your portfolio is gonna keep going bigger, and your cost basis is just stupid. Like, once you're so much in profit, what is the point of even selling? Like, if you bought Bitcoin for, let's say, anything under than 20,000, even, why would you even sell? If you bought Bitcoin for like 10K, bro, you know it's never going back down to 10K. If you bought Bitcoin at 3,000, if you bought Bitcoin at, these numbers are crazy. Anything under 1,000, if you bought Bitcoin anything under 1,000, bro, that's just insanity. But why would you ever sell? Why would you ever sell? It makes no sense. You're just going to see your portfolio grow and grow and grow. Yeah, Bitcoin has a little bit of a downtrend right now, so I am expecting some pullback in the crypto market, guys. So just be aware of that. Don't be alarmed when you see it. So that means ETH should pull back underneath 4 bands. Well, it's already underneath 4 bands. It's going to pull back a little bit more. Ethereum, Bitcoin, all of these are going to pull back a little bit. We're in a pretty decent downtrend, macro uptrend, but same kind of story basically AMC just had, right? You have a big rally up, then you dump down, then you bottom out, and then you push up, right? Same thing AMC just did, right? On the bigger time frames. AMC had a decent rally up. Pull back, bottom. Higher low is key. AMC did come down pretty close to the 267, but we wicked down like the 270. We held 270 the whole time. Came back up over 275, pushed up decent. Gonna see $3 here very shortly. And I definitely don't think we go back below 270. GameStop just bounced off of 23.15. Maybe that means our crypto can recover. So there's a strange tie between crypto and the meme stocks, man. Because when I first popped on here, AMC was green, and Bitcoin and crypto were green. It was just like the markets weren't that green. In fact, the SPY went red briefly. GameStop just held the 23.15 support and resistance. This is bullish. AMC still up 3% on the day here, holding 285, well above that 280 support and resistance that we called out for yesterday. SPY having some troubles here. We did get that double bottom formation pushing to the upside.
coming up here to that 672.24. Support and resistance. SPY is looking like it's having some issues overall. I don't like this. This looks kind of bearish, guys. It has to break back above 672.24. If it can hold that, then you could see a decent move to the upside. But SPY looking a little iffy here. And NASDAQ's red, so I'd be careful. NASDAQ has to go green to help SPY. Oh no, man. The market might be topping out, like I said. I'm trying to tell you guys, bro. I'm telling you guys, man, this is a big ass bear flag. SPY's topping out, bro. Oh, look at that candle. Buy the dip. It says Bitcoin and XRP facing collapse. Let's see what this says. Could the $15 billion government seizure trigger a crypto crisis? Get this shit off of here. What did they take the Bitcoin for? And if you're not doing anything wrong, they're not going to take your crypto, first of all. But I don't think the government should be confiscating anything. That's just fucking stealing, bro. I hate the government. Okay, but this is a dumbass. This is stupid. This fucking shit is stupid. This is written by some dumbass bear. Some fucking idiot ass fucking crypto bear. Experts warn that this event could have long-term effects on cryptocurrency adoption. Bro, they're not just gonna come up and steal $15 billion worth of fucking crypto. This guy had to have been doing, or this entity or company, whatever the fuck it is, had to have been doing something really bad. But I don't think the government should be confiscating anything. It doesn't tell me why they took the Bitcoin. Let's see what else news we got. Grok DeepSeek outperformed ChatGPT and Gemini with epic crypto market long. Grok and DeepSeek outperformed other artificial intelligence chatbot cryptocurrencies in trading. Hold on, people are using, of course they are. Grok and DeepSeek outperformed other artificial intelligence chatbots in cryptocurrency trading. Timing the market's local bottom before a recovery rally and hitting a possible edge for users that rely on their insights. Guys, should we start using... Should we start... Should we start using AI? Oh, now you're asking too much, Todd. You're asking for 2 in 1. That's way too much information, bro. I think we should... I don't know if AI would cloud my judgment or help me, unless it's...
Can I get a WDL on Bark?
Because I don't like when shit don't agree with me, you know what I mean? I like to live in an echo chamber. It's like, nah, I'm kidding. But I don't like anything clouding my analysis. AMC fucking holding the line. AMC holding the fucking line. What? Decentralized life. Orb? What? What is this, bro? No, this can't be real. You're lying, right? Bro, you're lying. What are you showing me? Todd, this is a joke, right? You're trolling, right? Todd, this is not the chart you're showing. This is either a troll or I'm just wrong. They just seized. Yeah, I don't know, bro. They're just taking Bitcoin. The government's just stealing shit, bro. And then Bark. I'm probably wrong about that ticker. We'll check out this Bark. This is very, very scary because it's under $1, but it's very scary because it's under $1, but this could be another one of those buy low, sell highs. And it looks like it's just now turning around. This could be one of those. There's a gap fill here, dude. There's a gap fill here. I would be scared, but bro, it could be it. Fear is good. Fear is good. There's a gap fill here at 112 to 130. So bro, this thing's going back to $1. Oh, it's almost at $1. Well, it's going to $1.15. How about that? Bark is going to $1.15, not financial advice. Bark is going to $1.15, not financial advice. Thank you for the super chat, Todd. Double check me on the WDL. I might not have it on my thing, on my Weibo. Somehow you have a crazy Japanese name or Chinese name, I would assume. Is that Japanese or Chinese? You tell me. Educate me, please, sir. Yeah, they just seized. Yeah, they're just taking shit, bro. They're just stealing. I don't know what the fuck. This would be a fear tactic, yes. Just taking shit. Bro, they tried to say they were going to ban Bitcoin and crypto. They're not going to ban Bitcoin and crypto. They're not even going to ban TikTok. You can't ban TikTok, bro. You can't ban websites and shit like that, bro. You can't. You can say it's banned, and maybe if you have a US IP address, you go to the website, it doesn't let you on the website. But you only, and everyone knows this, you don't have to be a tech genius. All you have to do is use a VPN, and you can access any website you want. That's like how in the UK, they make you type in if you're 18 and bullshit like that. All you have to do is use a VPN, and you don't have to do that. There's no way for them to know where you're at with you just using a browser alone, unless they really dig into your computer. And in order to do that, they would have to invade a lot of your privacy and basically hack your computer, which I don't think a website is willing to do. Well, some websites might be willing to do that, but I don't think a company's willing to do that just to determine where your traffic is really truly coming from. They would have to hack your computer and get down into your local network. They would have to get in your computer and then like ping out from your computer and then get your local area network to see where you're really at. If you were using a VPN and a proxy and all of these other things to try to obfuscate where you're really coming from. And then you could really go even deeper and use a virtual machine and start doing MAC address changes and DNS spoofing and all types of other things that would really obfuscate where your traffic is coming from. So there's no way for them to ban cryptocurrency or TikTok or websites. There's no way for them to enforce this shit, bro, because all you need is a VPN or a proxy and it will completely erase anything. Because all the website can do is block a traffic from, let's say they ban TikTok in the US, then they could be like, oh, well, if you have any traffic coming from the US, you can't access this website. Korea is different. North Korea is different. North Korea has a firewall around it. So picture it like a fence. It's not a physical fence, but picture it like a fence. North Korea has a firewall around it, and that's why they're blocked from the inside. I guess it would be from like the inside out. Instead of trying to come in, they're blocked from going out. North Korea is blocked from going out. They have the internet, their shit's cut off, bro. You have a North Korea IP address, you ain't going nowhere, bro. You're getting all North Korea propaganda. You ain't going nowhere, bruh. You would have to somehow tunnel out of the firewall. Dude, living in North Korea would be ass. Spy candles, let's check it. Spies pushing to the other side as normal. What else is new? Got Green Mac D5 in a time frame. This shit's about to go up. We got 105 in the building, 105 in the building. I just realized the camera is extremely low or high. Do apologize for that, guys. Try to sit up here a little bit. We're gonna do phase cam break anyways, and we're gonna come back on. You already know the deal. Only do this shit for like 5 minutes and then turn it back off. We got another super chat. What is happening, guys? You guys are getting a little outrageous here. It's adding up. A-I-R-E. A-I-R-E. I think we... Is that what we talked about?
Data, please share your analysis for air.
I got analysis on analysis. I got analysis on analysis. My analysis on some other shit. You ever hear that song Panda from Designer? A-I-R-E. Boom. Below $1, dangerous. You never want below $1, but if it has chance of going above $1, there's a chance. Stocks aren't allowed on the New York Stock Exchange unless they're... We have a dotted line on this. I don't know if it got moved a little bit, but I know I would not draw a line straight up and down. Okay, that looks a little bit better. So we dropped down, but we didn't get this upwards pop. This thing is now went down to 41 cents, getting a nice rally back up off of that 41. Okay, so I say short-term downside, and then it should push back to the upside. So you're gonna see in the short term, it's gonna pull back. But this should be able to... It should be able to reclaim $1. It should be able to reclaim $1. That's what I can say about this stock. And that should be happening shortly. But in the short term, shortly means like 3 weeks. But in the short term, meaning like a couple hours. It's going to pull back a couple hours up into like a day or so. It's going to pull back and then it should continue up. All right. Wow. Fucking GameStop broke underneath 23. 15. Guys, GameStop broke below 23.15. This is all bad. Why is GameStop down 1%, yet AMC is green? What type of madness are we seeing? GameStop is dumping while AMC is up. GameStop is dumping while AMC is up. Madness is happening. Madness is happening. All right, I gave you an update, brother. Hopefully it comes true. I like when all my predictions happen 100% accuracy. I'm right 99.999999% of the time. 100% accuracy every time. That's the DataZero guarantee.
A few moments later.
Okay, so Bitcoin is pulling back as expected. All right, guys. Your boy will be back here in a couple of minutes, like an hour. I'm gonna put the cam back on during power hour. Give about 30 minutes till power hour. I'm gonna stretch and stand up. No fucking way. They're saying AMC's dark pool is 20 million. I would leave the camera on when I stand up, but you guys can't see anything really. So that's the one thing we gotta change. And then I can leave the camera on 24/7. Let me see what it looks like. This would be your view. (24/7) though, we could We in this bitch. It's like... What if I just punch my whole screen? What if I accidentally broke it? I'd be sick as fuck. Because that was pretty close, right? Did you guys see that? What if I accidentally just said... that would be the second one of these that I broke. I have one of these in a whole screen like this in my closet. Fucking broken, dude. $300. That's sad, bro. It's $300 I could have saved. That's $300 I could have saved, bro. Fuck. I needed that 3 for real, for real. I'm down on my ass now. It's like Yo, make sure you guys check out the merch store. Make sure you guys check out the merch store, bro. Check out the merch store. DataZero merch in the building, bro. DataZero merch in the building, cuz. This t-shirt is fresh, though. This shit is fresh, though. This t-shirt is fresh. All right, back to AMC. Bro, that shit going to $3, bro. $3. BYMD $3. I don't even gotta look. I bet you the shit's going up. Watch. That, I'll tell you what though, Beyond Meat, the stock might go off, but that shit looks gross. I told you the shit was going back up. That shit looks gross. It just hit a new high. I'm telling you, that shit's going to $3 fucking. And I think it can go higher than that. It's starting to get some bearish divergence though. Definitely starting to get some bearish divergence. Bro, it's getting some bearish divergence. BYND's getting some bearish divergence. RSI, yo, this shit's gonna end up correcting down. $3 is the peak, bruh. Amy pulling back. Amy pulling back. Fuck! Amy pulling back, y'all. Okay, Amy coming back. Amy coming back. Amy coming back. Amy coming back. Still up 3.25. Still up 3.25. 286. Amy trying to come back. Drop those fucking rockets. I need rockets. I need rockets. I need rockets. Amy needs rockets. Amy needs rockets. GameStop needs some fucking rockets, dude. Fucking somebody help GameStop. Overall downtrend, GameStop. Somebody save GameStop. Why is Amy up 3%, GameStop down 1%? What is happening? What is life right now? BYND might be nearing the top. BYND might be nearing the top, guys. $3 might be the top. BYND, $3 might be the top. Bro, bearish divergence is flattening out. It's about to correct down. This shit is building bearish divergence, bro. $3 the top. Yeah. 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 What? Flex on the head a lot. Yeah, I really wish the Flex on the head a lot. Yeah, I really wish it would. If we gotta do them dirty like should. You ain't gotta understand what's already understood. You dig? Flex on the head like it really would. If we gotta do it like should. You ain't gotta stand what's already understood. You dig? AMC coming back, bro. AMC coming back. Rockets in full effect. Rockets in full fucking effect. Amy don't give no fucks. 287. Amy holding 286 support and resistance. Drops those rockets in the chat. If you want to see Amy hold, drop those rockets in the chat. If you want to see GameStop come back. Amy coming back, y'all. GameStop bouncing. Rockets in full effect. Rockets in full effect. GameStop bouncing and Amy coming back. Rockets in full effect. Rockets no not care. Amy 288. Amy 288. Just when you thought it was over. Just when you thought it was over. She comes back. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe. Misty Blue! Brace Face Brittany just got gifted a free membership from Misty Blue. Brace Face Brittany, free gifted membership for a month from Misty Blue. Let's go. That puts us at 2 brand new members for today. AMC pushing back to the upside, 290. I told you guys it was possible. I told you 290 was possible. I said around power hour, 290 would be happening. And what time is it? 2:51. I told you the next hour would be boring, but by power hour, Amy will be heading towards 290. Get some hype in the chat for Misty Blue right now. Hype in the chat for Misty Blue. Amy coming back up. GameStop coming back up. GameStop approaching 23.15. Want to see GameStop back above 23.15. We also got crypto trying to recover as well. Bitcoin trying to recover. Life is good, baby. $110 people in the building right now. Got 110 in the building. Amy moving back towards 290. Misty Blue dropping free memberships. Amy coming back to the upside. Spy pushing up as well. Spy trying to get back above the 672.24. Must get back above that to be bullish. AMC coming back for 290. We're about to see Amy break and hold 290, guys. I want to see some more rockets. I want to see some more enthusiasm. Amy needs to see more enthusiasm. Show Amy you care to make Amy great again. She's up almost 4%, or she's up almost 5%. We take those. Two brand new members, multiple super chats. 80 likes, we're about to have 100 likes. Shout out Misty Blue, Andrew, Todd, Sunny GG, C12 Omega, and Benjamin. Amy going back for $2.90. If we could break and hold 290, we could get a pop to the upside towards 3. In fact, we will go to 3. As soon as we break and hold 290, we go straight to $3. We just gotta hold that shit. We gotta hold it. We cannot just break it. We gotta hold it. That's the key. Holding that level. Want to see GameStop back above 2350. SPY pulling back slightly here. SPY pulling back slightly. Bitcoin moving back to the upside. BTC heading back towards 112,000. BYND broke 3, guys. BYND broke 3. But be careful. Bearish divergence starting to form. BYND officially broke 3, but bearish divergence is starting to form, guys. I would be out of this thing. You could get a little bit more, but this thing's going to start topping out. Information for BYND in the day trade chat. Information for BYND in the day trade chat. $110 in the building right now. Guys, AMC getting green MACD 5-minute time frame. AMC getting green MACD 5-minute time frame. Could see a push back to the upside towards 290. We are officially in power hour. It is now officially power hour. What up, John? How you feeling, bro? Rocket manifestation happening in real time. I manifest my rocket. Wait, what?
Go.
SPY pulling back a little bit here. SPY pulling back, not able to get back above that 672.25. I told you guys SPY looking macro bearish. Hit my price target of 673, pulled back. We had a 673 price target for SPY. It hit 672.99 to be exact, but SPY showing signs of weakness. GameStop back above 23.15. This is major. GameStop back above 23.15. This is major. This is what we want to see. Bullish. Amy curling up. Amy is curling up. Yeah. Amy don't give no fucks. Amy curling up. Amy don't give no fucks. Amy be curling up. Bitcoin back at 112,000, y'all, and Ethereum back at 4,000. Bro just got fired from the job. Guys, don't worry. It's just the hub intro. We're just over here manifesting rockets. Don't worry.
A few moments later.
Tandy Tuesday. Are you not entertained?
Huh?
Okay, Bitcoin definitely coming back to the upside, bullish. Okay, now we're looking better. Bitcoin coming back up, GameStop coming back up. This is what the fuck I'm talking about. Hold on, GameStop, what the fuck you doing? What the fuck you doing? Get the fuck back up. We need to see GameStop hold 23.15, y'all. They may have dumped short shares. $3.2 million, Amy. 3.2 million. BYND up 115% on the day. 115% in one fucking day. RSI extremely overbought right now, guys. Be careful. RSI extremely overbought. This is an issue. Bearish divergence forming. Be careful. It's getting frothy again, guys. It's getting frothy. We did tell you it would come back to the upside. We gave it a $3 price target. I wonder how many shorts got squeezed on BYND. I wonder if they're short AMC too.
A few moments later.
Guys, we have 118 in the building. We have 118 in the building, guys. 120 people. $120 people. But we not only did 3 videos yesterday, but we worked on the class this weekend. We now have 8 lessons complete, and there's only 2 more lessons left. Which means we are almost complete. And guess what I'm doing this weekend? Oh yeah. We're gonna work at another one. Yeah, we're gonna get another one done! We're gonna finish this bitch! I'm gonna show you how to predict, how to read the charts. I'm gonna give away my secrets to a select few. What if I make it that there's only 100 classes available? Thanks, DZ. Nice 60% profit on BYND. Get it, brother. Get it. BYND pushing back to the upside after it pulled back to 250. We said it would go higher. It is now approaching 350, ladies and gentlemen, which is going to be major support and resistance. I originally said yesterday that I believe it could go to $4. But 350 is going to be major resistance. RSI is overbought, so it'll probably pull back a little bit here at the 350 mark. But yes, it did indeed pull back down to $2.50. We called for this. I told you guys it's going to go back to $3. And now look at it. It's all the way to 350. So anybody who bought down there at what was it, $2 it came down to? It went to $2. It went lower than 250. It's now up 82%. It went to $2. I do apologize. It did not go to 250. It went to $2 fucking dollars and is now up to 350. Was that the pullback we called, or was it this one? It was this one, right? No, it was here. It was 250. It was right here. This is it. So yeah, you'd be up like 30%, because it was 250. It was 250. It was 250. We looked at it right here. Yep, now the bitch moving. Up over 146% in one fucking day. Talked about this stock yesterday. Talked about this stock actually because of Andrew. We talked about this stock before it even rallied. Andrew had showed us this stock way down here. So now it is up over 631% from that low. Shout out Andrew, thank you for that play. BYND, DZ family knew about it before it popped off. That's why you guys want to like and subscribe, because we get the information before it ever happens. We can put these stocks on your radar before they pop off. Larry Brooks, what up, bro? We got 130 in the building. 130 in the building. $130 in the building right now. 88 likes. We need to get 100 likes now. Run it up. We need to get 100 likes now. Amy curling back to the upside, guys. She's trying, baby. Want to see GameStop back over 23.15. Hey, run it up. Yeah, we got the 130 in the building. 130 officially in the building. Join my live stream to help. Share the live stream to help me out. Join it, hit the like button. All right, we just got a super chat from Can't Get Right. We just got a super chat from Can't Get Right. I'm not going to say it's not possible, but I would not be betting on that, right?
Can BYND get to $5 this week?
Could hit that. It easily could hit that, but I would not be betting on that. Right now, it's short squeezing for sure. If it breaks $4, it could go crazy, bro. If it breaks and holds $4, it could go crazy. Information for BYND in the chat. Information for BYND in the day trade chat, guys. I will say if it breaks and holds $4, it could go crazy. But BYND hit up over 150% in one single day. We talked about this stock yesterday. I wouldn't be betting on that, you know, but it's definitely a possibility. What I'd be betting on more likely is that it's going to touch $4 for sure. But right now it's making like a blow off top, so it's going to pull back. It's basically doing a blow off top, so it's going to pull back short term and drop down and then come back up. You see how it's already pulling back? It's going to drop down and then come back up, in my personal opinion. That's what you're going to see from BYND. It's going to drop down and curl back to the upside. Get kind of blow off top-ish here. But if it manages to break and hold $4, this thing could get crazy off of just gamma alone. Shorts are definitely covering. So this is definitely squeezing right now. BYND is definitely squeezing in a squeeze move as we speak. Anytime you see it just ride the bands like that, that's a squeeze move. Anytime you're just riding the bands as support, you see the bands get really, really tight. You see how the bands are tight here? And then he just rides the bands up. That's a squeeze move. And the longer you stay above the bands, the longer the squeeze move can happen. The more you stay above those bands as support, you're gonna keep going. But if the minute you come back inside the bands, you're gonna start fucking dumping. Gonna absolutely start dumping. The bands could have told you a move was coming too, because see how tight the bands got? As soon as you got above that blue medium line, bro, with the green MACD, you would have known that it was gonna pop off. Bitcoin is back above 112,000. Bitcoin back above 112,000. Ethereum back over 4,000. AMC still up 3.66% on the day at 287. GameStop at 2309. Want to see GameStop back above 2315. If not, we could see downside towards the GameStop gap fills, which I talked about in yesterday's video. Thank you, Can't Get Right, for the super chat, bro. I really appreciate it. Thank you, everybody who made today possible by watching the stream, sending super chat, sending gifteds. We have 2 brand new members. +100 people in the building. We're about to have 100 likes. 8 more likes. 8 more likes for 100 likes. 8 more likes for 100 likes, ladies and gentlemen. BYND slightly pulling back towards 350. 350 will be support zone. BYND pulling back. Told you guys we'll pull back to pop to the upside, pull back to pop to the upside. BYND losing 350 support. I told you guys we're gonna pull back, pop to the upside, and that's what we're seeing right now, guys. BYND slight pullback here. Got 122 in the building right now. 122 in the building, guys. We got about 30 minutes remaining. A little bit more than 30 minutes remaining. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. SPY trying to get back above 672.24. If it can break and hold 672.24, you could see a bullish pop to the upside. We do just need 5 more likes for 100 likes. 5 more likes for 100. Thank you. Run the check up. BYND. This shit look disgusting. $31 million volume on AMC. Oh my god, bro. Something is brewing. Something is brewing, bro. And there's 23 million dark pool volume. Something is fucking brewing. Volume helps overrun the algos. Yeah, I know. AMC. How is that even a thing? 70% dark pool volume should be illegal as fuck. Dude, we seen it as high as 81. How'd this get 16 likes? Thank you guys so much. Bro, if I was Twitter Blue, I would get like 5 times more views. And more likes. They basically bot your shit up when you're Twitter Blue. AMC is definitely building bullish momentum in the close. What if we just get a nice pop to the upside in the close? Oh, Bitcoin slight pullback. Still up almost 2.5%. Bitcoin is up more than Ethereum. Ethereum's up almost 2%. Well, it is up 2%. Bitcoin is up almost 2.5%. Cardano ADA up 2.86. COAI up 50%. XPL up 9%. 2Z up 19%. Crypto Bubbles, though, says a little bit different than Weeble. I think they take the day differently. See how it says Bitcoin's only up 1%? XRP, XLM, some of the biggest gainers. GameStop is pulling the fuck back! GameStop has to come to the gap fills, guys. GameStop has to come to the gap fills. It has to go to the gap fills. It's unfortunate, but it has to. We made 2 gaps on the bounce. Here and here. And now we gotta fill them. Bro, this is the most disgusting bullish divergence I've ever seen, though. GameStop will fucking explode. BYND draw down to possible upside pop. You see how it drew down? Now look at it.
JK, really?
We could see it pop up. Here is closed bull market support line. Or if Beyond Meat, as long as Beyond Meat stays above this trend line, it stays in bull market. It goes below that trend line, goes to bear market. BYND stays above this fucking trend line, it stays bullish. Thirty minutes remaining. 30 minutes remaining. RSI 2 cooked. Oh no. RSI 2 cooked. That's a gravestone doji candle. BYND must hold 350. BYND must hold 350. We gotta see that 350 hold, BYND. GameStop trying to find the floor here. Gap fills to the downside. GameStop coming back down for the gap fill. GameStop coming back down for the gap fill, guys. We have a gap fill at 20. We have a gap fill at 22.76 down to 22.65. So GameStop must fill these gaps down here before continuing up. GameStop 22.98 right now. AMC 287. Somehow up 3.79% on the day. Yo, what up? How you feeling, brother? Guys, we have reached 100 likes. Thank you so much. We have reached 100 likes. 100 likes achieved. 130 people are in the building right now. Thank you for everything. A 100 likes achieved. Got about 20 minutes remaining. 20 minutes remaining. Bro said, why are you commenting negatively? Bro, I gotta call it how I see it, dog. What's BYND doing? Is it dumping or pumping? It's gotta hold 350. It's gotta. As long as it stays above that red line, it will continue to go up. It breaks below red line, bearish. Above red line, it stays bullish. Wait, why's my line moved? Bro. Bruh. Why the f is my line moved? Why the f is my line moved? BYND pumping. As long as it stays above the red line, it's gonna keep going, it's gonna keep running. All I gotta do is stay above the red line. I have the bull market BYND support trend line. If BYND stays above this red line, it stays fucking bullish. If it goes below this red line, it fucking dumps. If it stays above it, it fucking pumps.
ASAP, boys.
Try hard.
I gotta call it how I see it, man. Which alligator indicator are you using it on TradingView? I have this one, bro. I don't, only on TradingView I don't have anything. I don't have, only have the, I just leave the order block detector. That's it, bro. I don't even have RSI. Because I don't pay for TradingView. So I don't even got RSI. BYND already did like a 6x. BYND already did like a 6x already, but as long as it stays above that bull market trend line. Let's see if I can get some RSI on here. Can we just get like a regular RSI? Nope, because I have, what other ones do I have though? I only have the order block. I should be able to use 3 indicators. Aren't you allowed to use 3 for free? Maybe the order block takes up 3. Maybe the order block takes up 3. I don't know. I just leave this order block on. Because it shows buy orders and sell orders. The rest I can just look at Webull. For some reason, they took away the ability to stream on. Oh, what? It's there now. My shit wasn't loaded. Oh, okay. So, let me do that again tomorrow. Guys, thank you for everything. 2 brand new members, multiple super chats. Shout out to Can't Get Right, Mr. Blue, Andrew, Todd, Sunny GG, C12, and Benjamin. Ethereum still holding 4 bands. 4 bands per ETH. 4 bands per ETH. $12 minutes remaining. 12 minutes remaining. I want to see Amy stay above this 286, but I really want to see her push for 290 if possible. GameStop getting a bounce. RSI got oversold for GameStop. Got a little bit of a bounce here. And I'd love to see it. Love to see it. A little bit of a bounce. This is what you love to see. Speed is sick, right? BYND just took a catalyst and popped off. That's why Adam Aaron don't be saying nothing about AMC, because it could pop off from anything. Nobody trusts Adam Aaron anymore, though. That's the thing. No one trusts him for anything. He lost all trust. Only a few idiots still trust him. Everyone else sees it for what it is. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. AMC Dark Pool officially hitting 78% here. Ten minutes remaining. 10 minutes remaining. I didn't know Google could do like have short videos and stuff and show you forums. I didn't know these existed. Google is evolving. I feel like they dumped short shares, bro, because we were definitely supposed to get a bigger move than this, bro. To the upside by close. I mean, we held the line, but maybe we still get a pop here in the last 8 minutes. Amy's been known to do shit like that. We're at 288 right now. We should have been at 290 though, for real, for real. GameStop trying to come back up, man. And SPY pushing to the upside. SPY pushing to the upside. Bitcoin moving to the upside as well. 112,000. Up over 2.5% on the day. Valentine in the building. Pro Scab, what up? $118 people in the building right now. 105 likes. How did it happen? Thank you. Thank you for over 100 likes in such a short period of time. Only 3-hour live stream. How is a 3-hour live stream short, bro? I stream too long, bro. If I think a 3-hour or 4-hour live stream is short, then like I'm in the game, bro. I'm in the streaming game. I'm in the streaming business. Stream for at least 4 hours a day, right? What a lovely tune. What is this? My God. Danny Lamb coming out of nowhere. Just coming out of the cut with a crazy gifted membership right now. The man, the myth, the lamb. Danny Lamb. Bro, thank you for the freaking membership gifted. You just gifted Kim or not a free membership as AMC pushes to the upside towards 289. Heading in the close. 5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes remaining. Amy trying to claim 4% green on the day. BYND is ripping as we speak. BYND ripping in the close. BYND will remain bullish as long as it stays above that trend line. Once I found the trend line, that's all you need to know. AMC trying to pop. AMC trying to pop in the close. Guys, that puts us at 3 new members. 3 new members for today. Thank you. AIRE. Wait, are you the one who showed me that? Are you guys in it? Are you guys in it? This stock's gonna go to $1, bro. It's gonna go to $1. This stock's going to $1. BYND gotta stay above this trend line. It stays above the trend line, it stays bullish. Below that trend line, it goes bearish. No, GME dumpy. Heading to that fucking gap fill, dude. It's heading right to the gap fill. Look at it. Heading right for the gap fill, guys. GameStop has to come down for the gap, unfortunately, y'all. But that means it's ready to pump. It's going to come down for the gap and then pump up. So don't worry. It is what it is. GameStop is going to come down for the gap and pump up. You can see the gap right here on the 5-minute time frame. You see that gray? You see that gray line? That's the gap. The gap is right here on the 5-minute time frame. You can see it. So GameStop coming down for that gap. It's about to fill it right now. Holy fuck. It could fill it right now. GameStop coming down for the gap. AMC pushing up in the close. AMC pushing the fuck up in the close. It don't give no fuck. Yo, how the fuck is Amy pushing up while GameStop's down? Amy claiming 4% on the day. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. Amy at 289. GameStop heading for that gap fill. It is unfortunate, but it is what it is. AIRE exploding to the upside. It's going to hit that dollar mark, baby. AIRE going to hit a fucking dollar. One minute remaining. 1 minute remaining.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
AMC 290, AMC 290, AMC up 4.5%, AMC up 4.5% on the day.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is it. Trading is over. Trading is over. Trading is over. Trading is over. Ladies and gentlemen, trading is over. The bell has rung. AMC closing at 289. GameStop closing at 2281. SPY closing at 671.23, pulling back after hitting 673 price target, 672.99 to be exact. But it's 1 penny off, right? Bitcoin up 2.5%, 2.47% to be exact. Ethereum up 2%, up 1.97% to be exact, on time of recording at $4,000 per ETH, 111,700 BTC. Ladies and gentlemen, this was your daily live stream. Make sure you guys tune in tonight for a video around 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. We had a bunch of people come in here in the close, over 124 people, man. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe on the way out. And as always, y'all, make sure you have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out, gang. We just got a new subscriber. We just got a new subscriber. Let's go. We're at 16,488 subscribers. Shout out to the new subscriber. Thank you so much. Kelly boy, what up? I'll see you guys later, man.
Take care of it.